Hello everyone, today, I'm going to show you how to calibrate the Odo value on the 2026 Honda PCX instrument cluster. Here is what you need to prepare. An Autotool ST or Autotool SM device. A reset adapter set with an 8-color cable. An Odo CMU device if you are calibrating it on a workbench. And here is the 2026 Honda PCX instrument cluster. Next, I will open the All Motor app to look up the wiring diagram. Go to Search. All Motorcycles. Honda PCX 2026. Program Odo. Now, I will use the Odo CMU device to power up the cluster. The cluster is now powered on. As you can see, the current mileage displayed is 12,500 kilometers. Next, I will use the Autotool ST device to recalibrate this mileage. Please connect the wires exactly as shown in the diagram. Alright, the connection is done. Now, power up the Autotool ST and connect the adapter. Select Odo meter. Others. PCX 2025 S6J336C. Enter the desired value you want to calibrate. For example, I will set it to 1,500 kilometers. Now, I will cycle the power to the cluster to check if it displays the correct mileage. The current Odo value now reads 1,500 kilometers. This means the calibration was successful. Thank you for watching this video. To upgrade this function on your device or to order the Autotool ST, please contact the hotline number shown at the bottom of the screen. Thank you.